How does a simple sheet of paper become a customer notebook on a store shelf? It may look easy, printing, bind, and done. But a good notebook depends on many details working together. Paper, size, binding, finishing, and packaging. One small mistake can affect cost, quality, or delivery. Today, I will show you how line paper turns artworks into a finished product. I'm Leo from Line Paper. Let's begin. Step 1. Checking the product plan. Before production, we confirm all key details: size, page count, paper binding, cover, artwork, finishing, packaging, and quantity. Even small misunderstandings like size, definition, or packaging type can cause problems later. Clear planning is the foundation of a smooth project. Step 2. Select material. Next, we choose the right material. Inner pages can be white, clean, recycled, or FSC paper. Covers can be soft, hardcover, fabric, PU, or printed paper. The choice depends on product use, price, and market. A school notebook needs durability. A gift journal needs a premium feel. Step 3. Artwork and printing. We then check in the artwork carefully. Page order, colors, text, and the finishing position. For a planner, we also verify dates and layouts. After approval, printing begins. Large sheets are printed and checked for color accuracy and defects. Any issue must be corrected before moving forward. Step 4. Counting and binding. Printing sheets are cut and folded in page groups. Then we bind them. Sewing binding for durable, perfect binding for clear edge. Spiral or YO for easy flapping. The binding must match how the notebook will be used. Step 5. Cover and finishing. Now we produce the cover. Options including lamination, foil stamping, embossing, and spot UV. These details improve appearance but require precise control. The cover is then attached to the inlay pages. We can also add extras like ribbons, elastic band, or pockets. Step 6. Quality control. After assembling, we inspect the product. We check the size, printing, binding, finishing, and accessories. We also test usability, smooth page turning, strong binding, proper alignment. Many mass production must match the approved sample. Step 7. Packaging and delivery. Finally, the notebooks are packed. Options including bags, boxes, bags, or retail packaging. Packaging protects the product and improves shelf presentation. Before shipment, we recheck quantity, cartons, and labels. Then the products are ready for delivery. Customer notebooks are made through carefully planning, material selection, printing, binding, finishing, and quality control. Every step affects the final result. A good factory does not just produce, it helps you make the right decisions before production begins. If you are developing customer notebooks, planners, or stationery, Line Paper can support your project from idea to production. Send us your designs or concept. We will help with material, structure, finishing, and samples. I'm Leo from Line Paper. Bring idea to life.